Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are continuing the beginners tutorial series. We've already studied, done an introduction to the barre chords. This tutorial is for barre chords, the other shapes. So we've done the F shape already. So this is F sharp, G, G sharp. So if you see G, we have is the same. Sorry. So the same F chord, when you move 2 frets, you get G. When you move another 2 frets, you get A. It's the same. So that's it for the F shape. So we want to learn the A shape and the C shape. So what's the A shape and the C shape? So A, we know A is like this. So what happens if we move further? Since we are not playing just the 3 strings that we have the index, middle, ring finger on, but we are playing some open strings, we need to bar those ones as well. Since we have a space, a fret free before the knot, that means that the knot is where our bar is supposed to be. So if you move one, we need to bring our bar here. So that means it's going to be like going to bring your middle finger, ring, and that's B flat or A sharp. Well, personally, I don't like this. Because when you go further, how are you going to put these fingers in the same fret? Yeah, so I prefer to use the ring finger, but I'm going to bend it. I'm going to bend it like this on the fret, such that I try and make sure that it falls on just the 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. But when I'm playing this, I try as much as possible not to play the top ones because I may conflict myself. So that's the A shape. It's a bit difficult, but anything that works for you. If you want to go with this one, fine. You realize that this is where we have the C note. So we can have the C, the same, C. The F is here, the same as this is E, the same as E major, E major. Yeah, so that's the A shape. So you try, so if maybe you are trying to pluck the first string and it's making noise like this because this finger is difficult, you are bending but you're still not getting it. When you are picking and you get there, you can just lift it, then bring it back. So that's the A shape. For the C shape, like when I did the introduction to the barre chords for the F, so C, when I move forward, I have to bar this side. So instead of starting from the index finger, I'm going to do it the other way around. So this guy will start, then we'll continue like this. So that's our C shape. So this is C sharp, and I know that if I have C here, I can have C sharp. It's the same. I have E here. I have E here. The same E. I have E here. I have F, E. I have G. I have G. Oh. So you just have to learn and study and figure out where those chords are. Where can I play them again? If I want to get G in a high octave, I go this, and it's not high enough, I go here. If it's not high enough again, I go here. You get it? So that's it for the bar chords, the C shape and the A shape. Yeah, so we'll be using these ones. If you see them, if you check my previous tutorials that I'm teaching how to play some songs, sometimes I play bar chords. Yeah, this is where they are coming from, and this is how I figured them out, and I hope it helps. And thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed. You see, I'm playing the C shape as this the A shape, but I'm playing C. So it's a C, G, F, G. So it's the same as C, G, F, G. So with this I can, because I have the control over the time the vibration should last, I can do my reggae here. So that's the beauty of bar chords. Yeah, give a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.